So I'm back with the virtual welder. I just thought I'd give you another little update of what it actually does. So we've got different types of welding torches. I didn't mention it before. So we've got, this is the MIG one. So that's an attachment that drops on the end of the virtual welding stick. We've got the TIG one. This is the TIG virtual welding adapter. And then we've also got the separate filler wire for the TIG, which dips in. And then at the moment I've got the manual metal arc set up, which looks a little bit like this. So we've got the end one there, which is the manual metal arc. So on the screen you can see what I can see. So we've got the virtual welding goggles, and as you can see, this is the kind of view that you're expected to see when you're operating. So it's pretty realistic. So this is representing the power station. So you can see the extraction, you can see a welding pod, transformer, various fire extinguishers hanging around, steel work and safety barriers. We can look up, see all the structural steel and all the rest of it. And as you can see, I can spin around and I can actually show you the workbench. So that's the workbench as I am seeing it. So I'm going to strike up the arc. We've got a little run going down there, and basically that's how the vision of the VR works. So quite impressive just by moving that around. So that's what it would look like should you have the virtual welding set on. So yeah, we can do stick, TIG and MIG, or MIG-MAG, or TIG-TAG. So right now I've got the screen up. This is what you can do when you manipulate the joint. So obviously you can zoom in, check out the leg lengths. This is a quick weld that's just been put down by one of my learners. And we can simply replenish the coupon so we can start again. So I don't need the virtual headset on to make it work. I can basically operate it just by pressing the trigger, and we can get a weld out as simple as that. So that's the MIG side of it. And this is the stick side. A little bit trickier, this one, because you've got to feed the electrode and make contact. If you go too far, obviously you're not going to get the contact. So we can put select a new stick by selecting that option, and we can simply arc up like so. I'll just put that down just for the demonstration. Once we've done that, we can clean the slag coating off and see the actual produced bit of weld that I've just put on that piece of plate there. So there's all various different joints, different positions, and that's a little bit more on the virtual welder by Lincoln Electric.